fabric. This is the one. Sure. So this is an airy silk product. So handloom from the handloom, and it is actually from the cocoon. It's made
Is it possible to buy it here?
Yes, I have it.
Really?
So I have a coconut.
You have some with you.
Yeah.
You guys are so
and the color, it's all natural dye.
natural.
Yeah, so no
No, I
chemicals
wasn't there
are being
unfortunately.
used.
But how much is
And
one?
what kind of material is it?
35 euros.
It's silk. So silk.
So during summers, when you wear this, you can wear it as a stole, or you can make them into any product, scarf or a shirt or anything. It makes you feel very cool.
Yeah.
It's more like linen,
Yeah.
but this is like natural dye.
Okay, that's yours.
And
I mean, it looks beautiful. But can you also buy it online?
yes, she has a website.
Do you have a
also.
website?
I'll give you the brochure and the address also.
Yes. When we're at the hotel, we should exchange numbers and LinkedIn, all that kind of stuff. I would love to buy one. Yes, I think. I mean, this looks beautiful. I would love to have one for my girlfriend.
And
Yeah, it's
there
amazing.
are varieties of it. There's varieties of them. And
Yeah?
you can have on many designs, tribal designs and all that.
I
Yeah.
mean, 35 euros is it's so cheap. I mean, it's beautiful.
No, but when you have to purchase it from the website, then the cost of the logistical cost and all is
Oh yeah,
higher.
100%. But
But if
still,
you're buying it here, then it's 35 euros for you buying it here. Then from the website, you have to pay for the.
yeah, of course, of course, because you have the you have the extra cost. Yeah, 100%.
So this is without shipping and all. It's 35 direct to the customer. Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. And you have some at home? I like at the hotel.
Actually, she's been carrying.
In the backpack.
Yeah. She's carrying
Sure,
it so that
sure.
whenever she needs people, because it's a new product.
Yeah.
People don't understand, so they have to feel it, right?
Yeah, and I mean, honestly, you're beautiful in it. Very nice.
And the model.
And I've been recording
We
the whole
went
time.
to the amusement park.
Really?
Yeah.
In
After we
Prater?
finished
Yes,
from
Prater.
there,
Yes.
because it's not far anymore.
No, it was like it's straight
It's just a
right.
walking distance. We went there. We had the best time of our lives. We
Oh, I bet.
experienced most of the rides, and the adrenaline was to another level.
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much.
Okay, jingiakynduh mar ni kalong kumni harum.
Apa yang ada
Kani ka model hang ni kala pin sayong ya kini ki sahep ang ni. Di.
How did you get
Nice.
Well, that is the skill. Mang khasi dan kata kasam. Mangide banla mandi he kimar. Nabata ki entrepreneurs jongi ngilai banla mandi kimar.
Ka headline kan long ba di jain keriu kan thai khasi ki phareng Austria ni.
Let's check where we have to get Marie and Gürtel. We have to get off now.
All right.
I gave you my brochure also this morning. Yes, I have it. I have the top. So I can show you the.
Kini kisah gini.
Ayam kisuan sange kini sim kebian na. Kine.
Okay. Oh, you brought the beer with you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice. Good.
Oh.
Jingiakynduh ikini ki parlok ki sahep hareng hang ni. Bat ki jingiakynduh thit kalong kumni harum. Yawan hang ni ban di ban thit bandi kuning kong bat thit ke benjang. Te bandi ki mar ki jongi ki babun ki rukang. Uni udus tem tani bandi tamun shna video kumni.
Create jobs.
So, wow, so it's really like a social aspect as well. That's very important. Wow,
Ki jingiakynduh ti kalong kumni harum. Jingiakynduh ti kalong kumni harum.
Please let me know.
And from here we going that side, no?
No, yeah.
That side. Nang tay.
Oh, 100%. We definitely have to. Let me just check.
so now you are in the region next
Ti kani di ka jingi men miet hang ni. Ba perlok hipe ini video menta. Ngidan menta kani ka region ke Austria po Vienna bengidang persang. Baik ini ki nong sengkam lejong na kejela jongi kiyo ban di yakimar ki jongki shaki sahep shani. But menta kini ki lai wanbud langi ban shim ya kawei yakimar ki jongi na po hotel. Pe kai kalong kumno village station po hotel bat kini yo ban mat yo ban yo yakimar ka jongi kong Iaishah kumju ka jong kinan rice beer ketuka piang ka rice beer pistui ka hot cake gitu rice beer piang tu.
It's amazing, yeah.
Yeah, we can and share our different initiatives and
Yes.
how can we see potential
Oh,
collaboration.
100%, yes.
Yeah.
You know,
Brochure is here, so
I will definitely take one.
No, here now.
check the website also.
100%.
Hey, why are
Website is on there now.
Deh keng apsak keng wa bedang den ke
why
teru.
are Hindi kan siya may model na po kasi the iya kami hapo.
And lastly, I'm a content creator, so I want to make
Are you a
memories
content
with you
creator?
guys. Want to make memories with you guys, so
Do you have a
you guys.
YouTube channel or something?
Yes, something like that. And this is the camera, and you are on. You are on my video right now.
Perfect. We have to take a tram.
Yes.
here.
From here, so there'll be a tram
I don't know.
going there. A tram going that side.
Don't worry, we have
Eight.
we have
this one is this one.
It's 18.
18, yes.
we have become really good at this now.
And it was only yesterday. We reached here only yesterday, and now we've mastered everything. Oh yeah.
Yesterday. 2 days.
And I've learned the word sargush. Sargush or sarbush.
Servus.
And fried meat.
Right me.
Fried meat.
Yeah.
I learned 2 words.
Right me.
2 very important words. Sarbush.
Not just laughing, I sat on those rides and I was screaming. So
You did that slingshot
I did
thing?
that.
I was like,
Oh my god.
I did.
I love this.
And I lost my cap on a roller coaster. I put on my cap. I had my camera like this, and the cap just flew. A brand new cap.
Sorry.
That was sad, yeah.
I'm afraid of
but
heights,
but
so I didn't do that.
but we had the experience of a lifetime, yeah.
See, for me, it's more about
So I apologize for
going, facing your challenges. So I know
Kann ich die
I'm
ganz
also
lustige
afraid of
30 Euro
heights,
aufkaufen?
but it was time for me
Where's
to
Gerald?
actually, I've done a few,
Braced.
yeah. So I was
Gerald?
like, but I enjoyed those rides.
Where's Gerald? Where is Gerald? Gerald is lost. I don't know Gerald anymore. Pagindan ni begini ki sahep ni ki ba. Mentang ni lang no sha po hotel begini peit ya ki mar ki mata ki jongi. Te kani ki baong ki babun ki kili wangi wan li sini kani de kum kini. Nomor ba phen de hi kum tu shari pareng ke jinjar pa. Te menta da kaba ngi wan shani kum ni kay rap ngi bingila ban introduce ya kini ki mar ki mata sha ki nongbhoi nong ar ki bala peni ki jing sngetynnad ki jing bang ki jing kwah ki mar mata jongi.
It's like it takes you up, and then it's really nice because then you see stuff.
Yes.
Because you're kind of like you're being taken around in
Round.
a circle, and then at some point it just like drops you.
Yeah.
That's the maximum feel I can take. Slingshot is too much for me.
I
It's
went
so
there for that.
impressive. But
Yeah, I
hats
went
off.
for that.
And I just watched them.
I thought it's really
I did nothing.
Chalo, ni ap no matai ke train na tan ni ke train ngin lech sa hotel, la pas hotel ngin spendi biang ke pimo. Ya. Dia trok kenyut. Insyaallah.
Then that person said, no, ma'am, don't worry, everything is gonna get
Sprite
ready.
is more like a
Yeah.
Sprite. So ka culture siya ni kadai ba kabaki kiju di panga di jing di panga babun pa. Kum kani hang ni lebih pek ke kiong ba kadai ke bia, kiong lap no kadai ke bia kani kadai ka kinja belum lemonade you dah. Ka jing di sok belum ke Sprite you dah. We need to run.
It's like a tutu,
Yeah.
This material.
Ah,
Big piece.
this is cool, yeah.
One side and cover it this way and
I
pin
think
it.
it's probably
And that's all.
easier, you know, if you just
Okay,
cross
but
here
what's
and
the
then take
traditional color
and
then?
then we'll just
Is it like
follow
this
that road.
brownish?
Adi,
or-
Sim.
Okay.
Sim going sa.
It's cold, right?
Really cool, yeah.
Yes.
Really cool.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Now we can go. All right.
Ah, okay, the material.
So,
But is this good?
where do you guys stay? By the way, which part of the city are you staying?
7th district. So, but near first.
Okay, and how far is that from here?
If we are near Maria Hilfer,
Okay.
just straight up Maria Hilfer downwards,
All right.
and slightly on the left, like near to MQ. Do you know MQ, Museumsquartier?
Okay. Oh yes, yes,
Or
yes. Yeah, I
like
think. Yeah, yeah.
Volkstheater.
All right.
Exactly like 50 meters away from that.
All right. So tell me something. I see a lot of these buildings and all these things here. Are these buildings residential places or mostly offices and businesses and hotels?
I really like that color.
Mostly residential, I would say. So
Okay.
I'm not from here, so I can't tell exactly.
Okay.
But also, I think it's 70% are owned by the city.
All right.
So
Okay.
like the prices are very low because of that. So you don't have to pay that much rent.
Oh, okay. So now if you need a rent here in the city,
Yes.
whom do you go to?
It depends. So if
Alright.
you're Austrian
Uh-huh.
and you don't have that much income, you
Uh-huh.
can just go to the city and say I need a flat,
Okay.
and they offer you
Alright.
some. And if you have a little more money and you're maybe like we, not from Austria, just
Okay.
from Germany,
Uh-huh.
you just go like normal marketplaces and search for flats.
Okay.
And then you also have to pay more.
All right.
But as I said, if you are Austrian and you don't have that much money, you can just go to the city and they say, okay, we have a flat there and there. Just take it.
Nice,
Yes.
nice. So, which means most of these properties that are being owned by the city, they are age-old structures and all that, or new ones also.
Most of them are old and like many are not that convenient to live there. Like they are a little bit old and rusty and such.
Right,
But they
right,
try
right,
to
right.
also, like in the 21st district, there are many new homes
Okay.
and new buildings. They don't look like that fancy.
Yes, yeah.
But they are new and renovated and such. But I think it's a little bit like a game of luck if you get a nice flat.
Yeah.
So
okay.
if you have luck,
okay.
you get a nice flat and it's renovated. And if you don't have luck, you get a nasty one.
Yeah. I see.
Yes.
So, what's the cost of living here, if I may ask?
It depends on the location.
Okay.
Like if you're near to First District, it's
Right.
more expensive.
Uh-huh.
And like I pay for one room with Lenny and another roommate, 660 euros, but without electricity and water.
660.
Yes. The location is great. So obviously it's more expensive.
And it's convenient
But-
also, I believe.
It's okay, I would say.
Because
There's a
660 euros.
yes.
God.
There's need to renovation, I would say, but it's okay. It's great to live there. And as I say, the location is great. Yeah, and also on top there's electricity, water, heating. So overall, I would say I pay $7.40.
Okay. So how low can it get in other parts of the city?
So if you just move our street upwards, like more away from First District, it's 200 euros less expensive. So you just pay 400 cold, how it is called, and with electricity, water, you pay maybe 550, something like that, 600. So if you move out the inner districts, you just pay less.
Great. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so which means that goes without saying. The more you, the nearer you come to the city,
Yes.
the higher the price.
Yes, of course.
All right. Now it makes a lot of sense. So how about food and the groceries and everything? What it is like to live in Vienna? Talking about the cost of living. How much do you spend for groceries in a month, or maybe in a week, or whenever you get them? Or do you eat outside more often?
No, not. Like eating out is very expensive, I would say, and like normal groceries are. I would say it's a little bit more expensive in Vienna than in other cities, or maybe like in Germany, but it's not that much more expensive. Like you pay a little bit more, but not that much.
Right.
Yeah.
So which means, are you saying that Vienna is costlier than Germany in one way?
It depends on the city. Like if you're in Munich, it's also expensive, but if you're in normal German cities, Vienna is maybe a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, right. Okay.
But it's not like you pay in this city €1 and in Vienna you pay €2. It's maybe like 20 cents difference.
Extra. Yes.
But it's a little bit more expensive. So
Okay.
That's my experience. Maybe some others would say it's not, but this is my experience. Yes.
Nice. But that gives me a lot of insight that way. I heard. I don't know if I heard it wrong or I heard it right, but like Vienna, one thing is it's one of the most livable city. That is one.
Yes.
Second is that it's comparatively cheaper than other European cities and countries, elsewhere in Europe.
Yes, it's because of that. What I already told with the flats, with the city who owns mostly of the flats.
I see.
That's why it's less expensive. So because in Germany, every flat or most of the flats are owned by companies.
I see.
And so they just can say, "Oh, we have somebody new who wants to move in."
All right.
And we just put on €200 more because we can.
Yeah.
And this can't happen in Vienna.
Right.
Because the city says, "Here's the cap, not more over it."
All right.
That's why they say it's not that expensive in Vienna.
Now, I have a question though. Now, for you coming from Germany, I mean, you here for uni and all that, or for work, let's say, can you, as a German citizen, avail the city, the city places? I mean, places which owned by the city. Can you go to the city and then ask for a place for rent, or do they give priorities only for the local citizens or something like that?
I'm actually not sure.
Good answer.
Yes.
Okay, but have you ever tried?
Maybe, but you have to have an official job, or maybe you have to. So you can't be unemployed.
Yes. Oh, of course, of course.
For example, but I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, maybe you need to ask someone other than that. I'm not sure. But I don't think I would get like a flat from Vienna.
Okay.
I just need to go and search for flats that are owned by companies or like some private guys who own some flats.
Okay.
But as I said, I'm not sure.
Yeah. No, I mean, it makes a lot of sense. Even if they put more priority on the local citizens.
Yes.
That way also, because if it caters to. If the city is holding most of the property, it should benefit the citizens of that country.
Yes.
Unless the people are contributing towards the economy of the country, and maybe contributing something to the country and the community, maybe then maybe they can consider somebody from the outside.
Yes.
Can also avail those things. Okay.
But I think they mostly give the flats to locals because of the fast growing of the city. So they say, okay, first of all, we give them to locals, and maybe then we give them to like Germans or people from all over the world. That's my opinion, but I don't know for sure.
Okay, yeah. All right, this is very interesting, yeah. So now, so you guys are working here full time, or you just?
So Lenny works half time, so I was working student and studies, and I tried to study my master's degree, but it didn't work out actually. So now I'm searching for a job. But full time.
No, from there. Yeah, from that side. So what do you study? I mean,
mechanical engineering.
Oh, lovely. So are you looking for a job in the same sector or something?
Yes.
Okay. So,
but it's a little bit difficult in Vienna. There are not such many companies here in this field.
Is this so? I mean, I thought this is like a hub of mechanical engineering.
I would say not really. So there are many companies in Austria, but not in Vienna.
Okay.
There are a little bit. So you have some companies, big companies, Siemens or others, but not that much. And especially if you compare it to Germany.
I see.
So especially in southern Germany, you have so many companies, small ones, big ones. And also in Austria, in Steyr or something other, there are many companies, but in Vienna especially, they are not.
I see.
At this point, really difficult for me to find a job at this point,
but I think you'll eventually get into one.
Yes.
I mean, just time is just a factor.
Only like 2 months searching, so it's okay. Not that bad.
Yeah, it's okay. So we are here. This is a thing. Hotel. So we're here.
I cannot eat your spice level. That's it. That's for
No, even I can't eat that much. I mean,
Chalo, kine.
you can.
Yes, of course. Yeah, we can. We can sit down here, yeah? We can sit down here. I don't know. Should we or should we not? Okay.
Yeah, so that is tea leaf. Yeah.
Is there a different tea leaf?
So when I said tea leaf, she thought maybe from the garden, no? But it's not that. It's
Now let's go to the products.
so Lenny, this is the
First, this is
the yarn.
So we get this yarn from the. Let me show you how we extract the yarn also.
me to somehow take.
Yeah.
Also, please take a video of it. Honestly.
You should. This video will also be online, so you can check it out anytime.
Perfect.
Yes, please do subscribe to his channel.
Oh, 100% I will.
So this is the cocoon, okay? The aerial silk cocoon. So the silkworm produce this cocoon. So after it produce, we let the butterfly goes out. Then we boil this cocoon. After boiling, we just do this.
So she'll show you how the spinning actually, the process of spinning.
I'm not so good at it, but then.
So, but this is very tedious process, you know, because it's all hand.
Yeah.
It's manually done, you know.
Yes.
Okay. Awal kumbiak sudah lanjut tadi.
Sawai. Ini kong ti pimbit aku ti ka bandalong.
Yes. So.
So you spin the yarn around
yes.
it?
She's doing it now. There.
Okay.
This is how it goes. Here we have the yarn. This is the yarn.
So that's how the yarn is spun. And then it's made into this.
Now we got this yarn.
So after they do this process, then they get this. So it's like a wool, no?
Yeah. It's
Yeah?
just like normal.
Yeah.
It's so soft.
Yeah.
This is the yarn.
And after
So from cocoon to the yarn
and
then
then she
to
colors
the,
this.
we dyed it with the tea, the onion peel, the turmeric. This is the turmeric. So you can wear it like a scarf.
This is for the male.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the male one. All right.
Unisex, yeah.
And so yeah, like the yellow part is turmeric.
Yeah, this is turmeric.
Okay.
And this is tea.
Ah, really?
Some black tea or
Yeah, that's tea that we
correct.
use.
yeah, okay.
And this is just tea and this color only. The natural color.
So this is the natural color.
This is tea and natural color.
So this is the natural color.
Tea and turmeric. And then so you can wear it anything.
And these are the stones.
Yes, this color.
No.
Tampak long, but then it's
I mean, I love them all though. Take them all. I do like with the like a little bit of color in there as well.
Yeah. This it has this golden color. Even this is
That's the turmeric.
This is the bitchy. This is called the bitchy.
Bitchy.
But it's pronounced as bitchy.
this color,
It's not
natural
bitchy.
color.
Yeah.
Didn't dye it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's beautiful as well.
Can you check the video now? Yeah, Wi-Fi.
Difficult to sound actually. What are your opinions?
Do you want us to help with the bow?
Yes, please.
So it's
yes,
for,
please.
for yourself?
It's probably going to be for my mom because it's Mother's Day tonight.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Here is
This.
to you.
To you guys.
Oh, he's bitchy, no?
I can do
But did you try it?
No, give me a second.
We're all looking at him now. Getting that smoke.
Yes.
Oh, it's nice. It's different.
Yeah.
May I try?
Yes, of course. Go ahead.
This is mainly for you guys.
That's a bit cheap.
Yeah.
It has some.
Oh, it's very smooth.
Yeah. And that smoky taste will be there also.
Yeah, it's very smoky. Yeah.
It's very smoky. It has a bit of like some smoked ham kind of taste to it.
Smoky and a little bit sweet. Yeah, it's sweet. It's sweet in the end. Yeah.
Because of the sweetness, it's smooth. But then when you drink this, it doesn't kick immediately.
Yeah.
It hits after later. So people tend to really go bonkers because the taste is, nothing is happening and it's tasty, it's sweet, and they keep drinking and all that. But after an hour, then finish. If you drink too much of this, then you get a lot of
Yeah, but
It's very nice. You like it? Yeah.
yeah.
I could just like,
And it's not that sparkly as well. But,
and I think it's like the more you drink it, the even better it gets. Like now I get like 2 little sips. The second sip was even better. It's like, nice. Wow. Very cool. I'm also not a big beer drinker, just to declare. So.
but it's also it's very different from normal. And like it's not as strong. Or like if you compare it to this.
But you still have, like it's sweet, and I think you still have a little bit in the background of something, and maybe it's the rice of the fermented kind of taste, right?
Yeah.
That's like a bit of like, I mean I also love fermented drinks. That's helpful. Yeah, very nice, wow, okay. And then is this like a drink that people, like when do they drink it?
They drink it at birthdays traditionally without the can, like just since ancient times they drink it at funerals, birthdays, weddings.
Straight from the pot.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight from the pot.
It's actually served straight from the pot.
And in our tradition, right, if you come visit our like the villages and all, they'll take out a pot for you and then they'll make it for you. And then it's tradition that you're supposed to chug it.
Yeah.
Like it's
Like a bomb. It's like a bomb.
Yeah, we can get behind that.
Yeah.
It's
It's like a
You
bomb.
have to like chug it.
Yeah, chocolate. Yeah, that's how.
It's how they
sometimes we would serve
respect you.
Yeah. So out of respect and all, so they welcome you. And the first thing with the bong, it's already filled with this.
You see how much is in one bomb?
It's not. It's actually.
It's not a lot.
Okay, at first the
It's
whole
not
thing.
actually a bong. It's not actually a bong. Yeah. So then after they serve you, so you just have to drink it. Like drink a sip or two. It's not like you have to drink one shot.
That's why I thought. That's why I was asking, because we know that the yellow is kind of from the turmeric and the darker one is from the tea. So that's why I was wondering.